Please sit down. Ellis Boyd Redding, your files say you've served 40 years of a life sentence. You feel you've been rehabilitated?
Rehabilitated? Let's see now. You know, come to think of it, I don't know what that means.
Well, it means you're ready to rejoin society.
I know what you think it means. But to me, it's just a made-up word. Politician's word. A word so that young fellas like yourself can wear a suit and tie and have a job. What do you really want to know? Am I sorry for what I did?
Well, are you?
Not a day goes by where I don't feel regret. And not because I'm in here or you think I should. I look back on myself the way I was. A young, stupid kid who committed a terrible crime. I wish I could talk to him. I wish I could talk some sense to him. Tell him the way things are. But I can't. That kid is long gone and this old man is all that's left. And I gotta live with that. Rehabilitated? That's a bullshit word. So you go ahead and you stamp that form there, Sonny. Stop wasting my damn time. Because the truth is, I don't give a shit.